Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you this Samsung ES17 digital compact camera. The Samsung Digital Imaging Department is pleased to announce the launch of a new E-series compact camera, the S17, boasting a host of features to make it easier than ever to take high-quality photos. The extremely stylish optical 3x zoom lens, 12-megapixel digital camera combines all the technology today's picture takers need at a highly affordable price. Samsung's innovative face detection technology detects the subject's face and automatically adjusts auto-focus and auto-exposure to ensure better composition and image quality for portraits. The inbuilt Beauty Shot mode retouches facial skin for a brighter and smoother skin tone, immediately making these cameras everyone's best friend. The premium quality ES17 also features Samsung's fast digital image stabilization system, compensating for unwanted camera movement causing blur, so pictures are always crisp and sharp focus. The Samsung Digital Camera S17 is available in pink, silver, white and black, has a recommended retail price of $99 and will be available from leading high street and online retailers from August 2012. Customers requiring further information should visit the Samsung website. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.